Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Maverick XRC. We just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it looks. This is the newest upgrade kit from Ryco, part number 8103A-8003 bundle. We've also included the Ryco side view mirrors with the flasher indicators built in as well. So with this Ryco kit, you're going to take and replace the existing signature light from Can-Am that you see there on the X3. This kit will work on any of the X3 models. So those are your daytime running lights. This is the side view mirror from Ryco. Looks just like the Can-Am mirror, other than it's got some wiring to it and some functionality behind it. Want to see it? So with the Ryco kit, just like your car, down will be left. You do have the built-in indicator lights up on the dash, letting you know those turn signals are on. No indicator light holes need to be drilled in the dash. But this Ryco kit, oh yeah. So there you've got that signature light with the turn signals integrated into it and the matching side view mirror. So they work really good together. As you can tell, they're in a nice sequence. Very nice, very bright, very custom looking. And what I love about the Ryco kit, it also ties into the stock tail lights, illuminating all of those LEDs in the back. And it comes with your license plate mount and LED light to illuminate the plate at night. There's a lot of different ways you can set up that plate as well as the light. This is just how we prefer to do it. With the Ryco kit, you do have the ability to have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. Indicator lights there on the dash. Signature lighting, looks so good. And the mirrors. What do you think? 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Around the back. Very nice. To release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever. Now here in Utah, with these items, this will give you everything you need to be street legal here in Utah with the turn signals and the mirrors. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Mr. Barber, this one's for you. Have a great day, everybody.